Let's dive in and give your garden a buzzworthy transformation. The journey we're about to embark on is a unique and exciting one. It's a mission of bloom and buzz, a quest to create a utopia for our tiny buzzing friends, the bees. Before we dive deeper into the topic, make sure you're part of our thriving community. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. Don't miss out on valuable tips, DIY projects, and the joy of nurturing your own green haven. Subscribe and let's grow together. Our world is teeming with life, and each creature, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining nature's intricate balance. Among these creatures, bees hold a special place. They're not only creatures brimming with life and energy, but are also pivotal in the growth of plants and crops. They're the diligent workers of the environment, the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. The importance of bees as pollinators cannot be overstated. They're responsible for the pollination of a vast majority of plants around us. In fact, a third of all the food we consume is a result of bee pollination. So by creating a haven for these important creatures, we're not just beautifying our garden, but also actively contributing to the overall health of our ecosystem and the world's food supply. So, where do we start? The first step in crafting this bee utopia is selecting the right plants. Now, this might seem like a daunting task, but it's simpler than you think. Bees are attracted to colors like purple, blue, and yellow. That's why you should consider planting flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and goldenrod. These not only add a splash of color and vibrancy to your garden, but also serve as a sumptuous feast for our buzzing friends. But the process doesn't stop at simply picking the right plants. You need to think about the positioning of these plants, the soil they'll be planted in, and the care they'll require. Each of these aspects plays a part in creating a successful bee garden. Next, consider the layout of your garden. Bees prefer clusters of flowers, rather than single plants scattered around. This makes it easier for them to gather nectar and pollen, so when you're planting, make sure to group similar plants together. A crucial aspect that's often overlooked is the type of soil. Different flowers require different soil types. Lavender, for instance, thrives in well-drained, loose soil, while sunflowers prefer slightly acidic to slightly alkaline soil. Researching the specific needs of your chosen plants can have a significant impact on the success of your garden. Care and maintenance of your garden are just as important. Regular watering, pruning, and adequate protection from pests are essential steps to ensure a healthy, thriving garden. Put in all this effort, you might ask? The answer is simple. Bees are vital pollinators, crucial for the growth of plants and crops. Without them, our food supply would suffer significantly. It's a mutual benefit indeed. You get a lively garden while supporting these industrious pollinators. All these steps and actions may seem like a lot, but the reward is well worth the effort. Imagine stepping into your garden teeming with life and color. Picture the gentle buzz of bees as they flit from flower to flower, painting a beautiful symphony of nature right in your backyard. So, are you ready to create some buzz? Get your green thumbs primed and let's build a garden that both you and the bees will adore. If you find that this has piqued your interest, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can enjoy more daily and weekly updates on plants. Remember, every flower has a role to play. Each petal, each bloom, adds to the magic of your garden. The vibrancy of the colors, the sweet aroma, the gentle rustle of leaves, all this comes together to create a garden that's not just visually appealing, but is also a sanctuary for our bee friends. So take a step forward. Let your garden play its part too.